Hello, welcome to Asal Digitals. My name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to create a circle video in Camtasia. Now let's begin. Now it's simple. I'm going to show you in 3 parts. Kindly subscribe. Now after recording yourself, you'll come to this platform here. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to click this one here. So this is the video part. This is the video part where it's showing your face. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here, expand it like so that it becomes big. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come here under annotations. Then I'll come to somewhere written shapes. Here shapes. Then I'll come and choose this circle. But before that, I'm going to add another timeline up here. So I'm going to use this circle here. I'm going to drag it here like so. I'm going to place this cursor here so that I'm able to see. The next thing I'm going to make sure to enlarge it so that it becomes a little bit big. So I want a perfect circle. What am I going to do? I'm going to enlarge it by pressing shift in the keyboard. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to make sure it is somewhere here. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure it covers from the beginning to the end like so that it covers from the start to the end. Then the next thing I'm going to come here. You see here, this is something like an eye. I'm going to right click it, then choose alpha. Then you see my circle, the image, my image or my video is inside the circle. Now if I play, hello, welcome to Asal Digitals. Now the next stage, I want the circle to have something like a border, or I want something like a border like so. So I'm going to use these 2 circles that are downloaded from Pixabay. You'll come to Pixabay here and just type circle, but you make sure it is written vector graphics. Pixabay is a site that you can download free pictures without any restriction. It is copyright free. So I'll just come and download some few circles that I see is good for me, which I did that. I downloaded this 2 circles here, which I'm going to put here. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click this so that I add another track here. So I'm going to drag this circle here. You know, these are transparent circles, so make sure you download a transparent circle. That's why if you come to this site here, you make sure you put here vector so that you have a transparent circle, so that when if you search like so, it will take you to, so this is a transparent circle, which means there's nothing here. Now the next thing I'm going to do after dragging that circle there, I'm going to position it somewhere here, and also make sure using shift I'm going to position it so that it is inside, my image is inside like so like that. Then I'm also going to put it end to end like that. Then I'll just, if I play, hello, welcome to Asal Digitals. My name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to create. If I delete this one also, maybe I want this larger one, I can also just drag it here, so transparent. Then I put it from end to end like so. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to position it like so, like this, like so. Make sure this one is fits, or you can just, so you make sure you also do the same. Now guys, that's how to hello, welcome to Asal Digitals. My name is inside like that. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can share, like. Have a nice day, have a nice time.